In this video, I'll show you how to use Use VPN. We'll go step by step so you can download, install, and start using it on your device without missing anything. Before we start, I want to mention there's a link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. NordVPN has a larger server network, faster speeds, and extra security features. So if you want the best possible performance and privacy, it's worth checking out after this tutorial. First, open your internet browser and go to HideMe, the official website for the HideMe VPN service. On the home page, look for the Apps section, usually at the top of the page or in the menu. Click on it and choose the version that matches your device. If you're on a Windows computer, select the Windows download. If you're using a Mac, select the Mac option. For mobile devices, you can find the HideMe app in the Google Play Store for Android or in the App Store for iPhone and iPad. Once you've downloaded the file, open it to start the installation and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. When the installation is finished, open the HideMe VPN app. The first time you open it, you may need to create an account or log in. You can sign up for a free account if you don't have one yet. The free version gives you access to a limited number of servers, but it's enough to get started. If you already have an account, just enter your email and password to log in. Inside the app, you'll see a large Connect button. Press it, and the app will automatically connect to the fastest server available. This is the easiest way to start using the VPN. If you want to choose a specific location, open the server list, select the country you want, and press Connect. The connection usually takes just a few seconds. Once connected, your internet traffic is encrypted and your IP address is hidden, helping to protect your privacy and allowing you to access content from other regions. That's how you download, install, and use HideMe VPN. If you want to take your VPN experience further, NordVPN is a fantastic choice. It offers faster speeds, a much larger server network, and advanced tools for security like threat protection, double VPN, and onion over VPN. It's also one of the most reliable options for streaming platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and BBC iPlayer. You can try NordVPN today at a great price using the link in the description and enjoy a safer, faster, and more versatile VPN experience.